Transfer tables. Using the Institutional Equivalency Table. The Institutional Equivalency Table is used to find schools that offer courses with specific UofSC course equivalents. You should use this table if you are enrolled at UofSC and are planning to take a course at another institution and receive transfer credit back to UofSC. Note, course equivalencies are not guaranteed to be degree applicable and should be discussed with your academic advisor. To use the Institutional Equivalency Table, select USC Columbia/Regional Campuses, and then select the subject and course number for the course you would like to take at a different institution. From the Select Institution drop-down, you can either select Show All Institutions to show a full listing of the schools that offer an equivalency for that course, or scroll to select a specific school. For example, consider you want to take Accounting 225 at an institution in your home state of Maryland over the summer and have that credit transfer back to UofSC. Using the Institutional Equivalency Table, you will select Accounting 225 and scroll through the institution listing until you find a school you can attend in the summer that offers an equivalent for this course. If you do not find the institution listed, they either do not offer a course equivalency or an equivalent course has not yet been evaluated by UofSC. If you find a course that you believe would be an equivalent, please use the Undergraduate Course Evaluation Request Form to request review of the course.